Okay, boys and girls, today we are going to be making a slide presentation in Google Classroom, and this is going to connect with our reading as well as our science. So here we go. The first thing you're going to do is go to today, Wednesday, September 2nd, and go to the gecko versus question mark slide presentation. Okay, and you're going to come down to the bottom and view assignment. So we're going to go to the assignment, and here it is. Here's our assignment. And it says, read the article, This Lizard Can Lick Its Eyeball, in the Storyworks magazine. Then go to National Geographic for Kids and read the article about the gecko. Now choose another lizard to study. Your choices are the chameleon, the Gila monster, the Komodo dragon, and the regal horned lizard. Make sure you take notes on a piece of paper so you remember what it is you want to share about the lizard. Okay, now you're going to create your slide presentation. Your presentation is going to have 5 Google slides. The first slide is going to be the introduction. This slide will have the title of your presentation, you choose your title, and your name. If you want to add pictures of the gecko or other lizards, you can do that. The slide 2 is going to be about the gecko. This slide is where you write the type of gecko that you read about and 4 facts about that gecko. You can add a picture if you want. Slide 3 is about your other lizard. So it's and put in the lizard that you chose. This slide will be titled with the name of the other lizard you read about. The chameleon, the Gila monster, the Komodo dragon, or the regal horned lizard. You will need to include 4 facts about this lizard. Number 4 is similarities. Similarities show how 2 things are alike. So in this slide, you're going to list 4 ways your lizard and the gecko are similar. Now, you're going to have pictures on the internet, and you can look at the pictures to see how they're different or how they're the same. And you can use 1 fact from the picture, but the other 3 have to come from what you read, have to come from the text. So 1 fact can come from the picture, doesn't have to, and the other 3 do have to come from the text. In the slide 5 are the differences. In this slide, you'll list 4 ways your lizard and the gecko are different. You can compare the pictures for one of your facts if you want to, but at least 3 of the facts must come from the text or what you read. And make sure you turn in your presentation when you've finished. Okay, so this is how this is going to work. We are going to read together about a gecko, and that's going to be on the Scholastic Storyworks site. Okay, you're going to come down to the bottom and go to View Full Issue. Now, the other way to do this would just be to use your Storyworks magazine, and you don't have to come to this website. But if you prefer the website, here it is, and we're going to do the mini read. Excuse me, guys, I'm yawning. This lizard can lick its eyeball. So this is the one that you're going to choose. And it's going to bring up the story, and it's going to be the same story that we read together in the video. So you're going to read the story. Okay? After you read the story, you're going to go back to Google Classroom and touch the link that's going to take you to National Geographic Kids. And I've already loaded it up to go to their reptiles page because lizards are reptiles. All right, as soon as that loads, okay, you'll scroll down and it has lots of reptiles in alphabetical order, and we are going for the lizards. So you could choose the chameleon, that is a lizard. You could choose the Gila monster, that is a lizard. You can choose the Komodo dragon, that is a lizard. Or you could choose the regal horned lizard. So any of those 4 can be your other. But you also have to read this article about the gecko. So where it says learn more, you're going to click, and it's going to take you to the gecko page. Okay, so you're going to have a slideshow that you can watch about the geckos. You've got lots of information and text. If you come across a highlighted word and you click on it, it will take you to more information or other articles. So those are not vocabulary words. Okay, it's going to actually take you to a whole other story. So don't click on those until you're finished with your project. Okay, so you're going to read this article about the geckos. After you read this article, you're going to go back. Make sure you get your 4 facts about the gecko, and you're going to choose the other lizard that you're going to read about. Okay? Once you read about that other lizard, you're going to write down your 4 facts, and you're going to get all of your information. Now, once you have all of your information, you're going to come back to your Google Classroom, and over here is this tab that says Add or Create. This is where we put things or make things to go with our activities. So yesterday you made a Google document and you wrote your spelling words in sentences. Today you're going to do a slide. So you're going to click that and come right down here to the yellow one that says Slides and click it. Okay, now this is going to open up a slide presentation. Okay, so now we have this pretty slide. All right, click to add the title. How simple is that? You're going to click it and you're going to come up with a title for your presentation. So mine is going to be Amazing Lizards. Okay, and where it says click to add subtitle, you're going to put by and your name. Not my name, your name. Okay, now we can do lots of things with this. We can add pictures, we can make it different colors. Okay, so you can play around with some of the things, some of the tools and things up here if you want to. Format, let's see, for your slide now, you're going to come up here and you're going to make a new slide. Okay, so this is slide number 1. You're going to make a new slide, slide number 2. Okay, and this slide was supposed to be about the gecko. So you're going to put gecko there, and you're going to add your facts about the gecko here. Now, one thing you can do is if you come up here, you can make numbers and list your 4 facts that way. Or you could use this button right here and do bullets. You can come over here and decide what you want your bullets to look like. If you want stars, you can put stars in front of your facts. Okay, lots of fun things you can do there. All right, now, when I have my text, if I highlight it, I can come up here and I can change my text font to something else. Oh, that one's cute. I can make my words bigger with the plus. I can make my words smaller with the minus. I can make them bold. I can make them italic. I can underline it. Or I can change the color of my text. That one purple. Okay? So there are lots of tools up here that you can use. Okay? Now, one of the tools that you can use is called a background. So right now my background's white, but I can make it yellow. Done. If I go to my background, I can change it to red. Done. Okay, so you do lots of different colors with your background. It also says choose an image. Now, in order to do that, you're going to have an image in your Google Drive, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. Okay, so you can change your background, change your colors, change your things, but the second one is going to be about the gecko. Then you're going to come back up here to slide and click new slide, and you're going to give this one your other lizard's name. Let's say I did the chameleon. Okay. Oops, I went back to the wrong. There we go. All right, then I'd put my different facts about the chameleon. I might want to make this one a different color, green maybe. Okay, the other thing I can do is theme. If I look over here at the side, if I want a special background, I can give it a theme. Okay. There's lots of different ways you can do this. Okay, but the theme goes for all your slides. So if you choose a theme, it's going to be that way through the whole presentation. Okay, so I'm going to come up here to the arrows. And look, this one says undo. I'm going to undo, 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 undo. And I'm back to where I started. All right, that's 3 slides. 1, 2, 3. We're going to come up here and we're going to go to slide and make a new slide. This one is going to be similarities. And I'm going to list 4 ways that my 2 lizards are similar. And then I'm going to come up here to slide. And I'm going to put a new slide. And this one is differences. Okay, so now I'm going to make my 4 differences. So this is all you need if you want to make all of them white background for today's presentation. You can absolutely do that. If you want to give it colored background, you're welcome to that. If you want to change your fonts or change the way you list your facts, you can do that. Just remember, go up here to bullets. You can make arrows, or you can do bullets with stars. You can do bullets with squares. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides is what you have to have, and there are 4 facts about the gecko, 4 facts about your other lizard, 4 ways they are the same, and 4 ways they are different. Okay, now I promised I would show you how to add a picture. Okay, so I'm going to come up here. I want to add a picture. I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and I am going to search the web. And it'll come up over here with images, and I'm going to put in gecko. Lots of pictures of geckos. Oh my goodness, this one looks like my gecko Loki. I'm going to use that one. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to slide it over here, and it's going to be way too big for my slide, but that's okay. Now all I have to do is click on it and come down to the corner, and I can drag and make it smaller. I can put it wherever I want on my picture. Put it over here. So I can have a picture of a gecko and to talk about the gecko. Oh, this guy is pretty interesting. Look at this guy. Oh, he's pretty cool. He's about to eat mealworm. Okay, I could even grab one side of it, pull it across, and look what I just did. I flipped him around the other way, so now he's looking at the other gecko. All right, so you can add pictures if you want to. You do not have to, but all you have to do, let me back it up, delete, delete. Go to Insert, top one, Image. Go down to Search the Web. When I do that, it'll open up my box over here. Let's say I want a picture of a chameleon. Let's say I did a chameleon. Then I've come up with lots of pictures of chameleons. And I could choose one of those to put on my chameleon slide. So here's my chameleon slide, and I could get this handsome fella and slide him right over. Then I'm going to have to go grab a corner and slide it to make him smaller because he's way too big. Okay. I'm going to have him hanging out there with my chameleon text. Okay, have fun with this, guys. But remember, you're going to be graded on the 4 facts you find about geckos, the 4 facts you find about your other lizard, your 4 similarities, and your 4 differences. Okay, the rest is for fun and to make it exciting. All right, have a happy learning experience. Bye, guys.